Hello, welcome to At Home with Thea. Today is bittersweet. I'm doing one final walkthrough to this house that we've called home for several years. The buyers have asked us to keep some existing items like draperies, window coverings, mirrors, and appliances. But overall, the space is an empty shell. So come along as I show you this house as its current situation and also share some rooms that I've never shown you before. Come on in. Let's start in the laundry room. This was one of the more recent updates. I had added a cabinet, shelf, countertop, and even an accent wall to make this hardworking space more practical and stylish. The laundry room sits right between the entryway and the garage, which we also updated with an epoxy-coated floor, an insulated garage door, a slat wall for hanging tools, and overhead racks for extra storage. It made a huge difference in keeping things neat and functional. Now, moving into the main area, this open concept entry, living, dining, and kitchen space really was the heart of the home. The layout is long and narrow, but the wall of windows overlooking the green space made it feel so much larger and brighter. With some thoughtful furniture placement and styling, it became both elegant and practical. A great reminder that design is as much about flow and comfort as it is about looks. The kitchen was where we cooked up some great meals, but the island also doubled up as my workspace for crafts and smaller DIY projects over the years. And this corner seating area, this was one of my favorite spots through the seasons. I loved playing with different textiles, textures, and neutral color combinations to keep it feeling fresh and cozy. Just off the main living space is a guest bathroom. It's funny how empty it feels now. The power of decor and textiles is so clear when they are all gone. Those small details really are what brings warmth and personality to the room. Flanking the guest bath are two small rooms that we used as home offices. One was for my husband, and the other one was mine. My office also doubled up as storage for my design supplies, all color coordinated and tucked neatly into the closet. It was definitely a tight fit, but I made it work. Now let's head over to the back of the house. The primary bedroom was one of my favorite spaces. The morning light streams in beautifully, and we've spent so many weekends here, sipping our coffee, just chatting and looking out at the lush backyard. The ensuite bathroom was another area we updated. It featured a large shower, a refinished vanity, new mirrors, and updated window coverings and fixtures. That, along with the large walk-in closet, made getting ready every day such a treat. The upper shelves were perfect for storing my collection of bedding, pillow covers, and textiles I use for home styling. And finally, out back is a small patio and garden. It's a simple space, but it's where we had so many cozy evening meals at the bistro table, enjoying the sounds of nature and the view. It's hard to say goodbye, but this house will always hold a special place in our story. And that's it. One last look at this house. Goodbye, sweet little house. You have served us well. I will miss you. If you'd like to see how this house looked, fully decorated and styled, make sure to check out my channel, At Home with Dia. See you in the next one.